The left.
You left me all the way in the back.
Who's spinning?
Together we can do it.
Why are you laughing?
All because Ronaldo didn't get me a nap.
I'm stuck. That was too funny. I didn't get
That wasn't funny. Well, you trying. Oh, that was fun.
It came out too much.
No, why'd you come here?
Stuck? What you mean stuck?
Where is it shooting from? You flying, kid?
Oh, that was too funny. I remember that day.
That wasn't funny. Someone fell off. God.
When you fall off, go for the. I keep getting burned by the stone, and it's not funny.
There is.
Uh-oh, I dropped the spray.
Where is?
Do your man. I
He's
dropped
here. He's at like the little cubby hole.
Hey, you should go to the. you should go to the mouse trap. It's nice. You get bonus points.
It's touch to the game.
You get bonus points. He's there. He's there.
Did you just throw a grenade?
Quiet. I'm everywhere. Hold on. Time out, I said. You're so.
There was nothing in.
Can I have your grinder? I want
I
the
drink all
grind.
of it.
I want that grind. I want that grind. Give me your grind. Give me your grind. Alright, Jorge. Yeah.
Move it, move it.
Stop.
I'm trying to get through and you're in my way. It's like you're trying to steal my napkin. Oh my god, right now we're both stuck.
I'm bringing up the map. Not even funny. He's behind the victory thing.
Oh, you died?
Yeah, he's behind the victory thing. No, I didn't die. He's gonna be in the cabinet. He's gonna be in the cabinet.
That glock's got a range.
Neighbor, how is he winning?
Cause he's.
I remember when we tried versing him in MW3. We still couldn't beat him, man.
Yeah, it was the 1v3. No, that was a 1v3. That was when Jared was there.
Yeah,
Jared
that
was there. Yeah. Actually, we have like.
And all he's using now is a pistol that takes 3. Oh my god, it's so bad, Minoru.
You mean you're bad?
No, I swear, Minoru, if I could, I would kill you right now.
You can't. You didn't get napkins. I'm here. There's always a flashbang everywhere. What is this?
Where? Oh, he's down there. Oh, freak. Where? What? I'm confused. How are you up there? No.
How does he already memorize the map? It took me like 10 days.
Oh, if I got him.
God! Oh. Alright, turn around. Yeah, I probably said, oh god. Can I turn on the hot water? There's a dead body in it.
Where? Show me. I'm not. Oh. He's on the bottom vent.
Quiet, horse.
Wow. Okay.
At the nest plate.
Fine. I'll just go join his team then.
No, 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 no. Time out! That's not even funny. I can't play it anymore.
Don't worry, I'll give it back to you. Back to you.
Let's go.
Yay! Oh god, I'm about to get kicked. I need. Oh my god, if I kill 2 more people, I can kick 2 more of my teammates. They only have 1. Gotta trick them, gotta psych them.
This is weird.
No, moment. The light.
I'm planting the bomb.
And then it was funny. I was like, wait, didn't he just die? And then he kills me. No.
My expert.
Oh. Oh. I survived.